This is the Presidio2 Air. This has the new Presidio2 Armor Cloud technology from Speck. I'm Josh Smith, GuidingMobile.com. This case has 13 feet of drop protection. It's $49.95. It's coming in the spring in a variety of different finishes. And what's cool about this is it's pretty thin and it has these like airbags throughout. And so what Speck had to do was remove stuff from the case to be able to deliver a case that's going to deliver that 13-foot drop protection while still being super thin and looking nice. So they had to go back to the drawing board, start pulling out parts of the case, and with that they were able to come up with something like this that looks really nice, is pretty thin, has a nice look and feel to it. You get 13 feet of drop protection. It's coming out pretty soon for the iPhone 11 series, and we should see it for the 10, and then it will also roll out to other devices. The Presidio2 Armor Cloud technology will also roll out to other items in the Speck lineup. So if you're looking for a new case that has some cool looks, has 13 feet of drop protection, and is nicely priced, you'll definitely want to check this out. We'll have links down in the description below to more information about this case. Thanks for watching.